children. I hope you're all safe and well. You know, your city Delhi has started looking beautiful. There are very few cars and very few people. And because of that, there is no pollution. Your city Delhi is looking very clean and very nice. And because of that, lots of birds have come to Delhi. And do you know something? Because there are so many birds, don't you think we should feed them? Well, to feed them, we'll need a bird feeder. So today, I'll tell you how to make a simple bird feeder. For that, you will need a roll. It could be a roll of a cling film roll or a toilet roll, any roll you can take. Put a string through it and keep it aside. You need a tray full of grains and you need a tray with a thick solution of flour and water. Pick up your roll and dip it in the tray of flour and water. Roll it up and coat the roll with this solution. You can coat it up like this. It should all be well coated with the solution, and after coating it, you can put it in this tray which is full of grains. You can roll this, roll it up here. All the grains sticking to the roll. And with the spoon you can pour over it. Shake it up a little, and I think your bird feeder is ready. No, it's still not ready. We need to put a stick, because what will the bird sit on? Put a stick in between and stick it to the roll like this. Now the birds can perch on this and sit and eat the grain. Tie a knot here. Tie a knot here, and now you can hang it in your balcony or your garden. Here's your bird feeder ready. Wasn't it simple, children? Well, ask your mom and dad to help you and make a bird feeder for the birds. They'll be so happy. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.